Yeah, the pre-market was straight wild, man. I got
Was you try?
clapped,
Oh.
and but it was like it was doing stuff at I don't know. It was just crazy.
So what were you looking for initially? What were you looking for?
On my short initially, I was looking for between 590 to 600. They did
590
that.
to oh okay.
Yeah, that was like way back at what was it like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But then they pump it up to 700, which I figured they would dump 700.
Mm-hmm.
They actually got to. That's another thing. When I flipped long, I was shooting for 723, and I don't remember where I flipped. Yeah, I think it was like right here. They dumped it. Yeah, because I remember this. These freaking candles. They dump it at like 687, 88,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm long, mind you. I'm like, damn it. I'm like, I'm long at VWAP, so I'm practically long at the top, thinking that they were gonna go to 700, then dump it. Like, no,
Mm-hmm.
they dump it at 687, all the way down here to 38, and then go to 700. I'm just like, man, all right, y'all, whatever. Now let's see what the piss they trying to do. I gotta kind of follow ES because
Yeah,
ES
ES
has
is
been the
definitely
leader.
up. There it goes. Up, there we go. Another great ES trade. Another great ES trade right there. It's gonna probably keep going down though. Another great ES trade. You know
It's
what, man?
wild.
I'm taking these trades in the ES instead of man. Man, I
Idiot
just thought about
just
that.
went negative.
Mm.
Yeah.
I should have did the same exact thing that I did last time. This is why I only trade my funded accounts and ES accounts. I know what to expect with her. I know general areas where I need to trade and place my orders, and I know what to expect. I know. And then here's the other great thing about ES. You can be down 33 points and only be down like on a 10 lot. You can be down like 33 points and only be down like 1900 or something like that. That's that's the power of ES. Now, obviously, you don't want to be 33 points down, but with ES, you have a lot of room for error on her. A lot of room. Because what that 17 or 14, 15 point drop was only like $600. So you can really you can really kind of play around with ES, and if you have a thesis, let it play out. Versus on the Nasdaq, like shit, you went on 10 lot on this, you blew the account halfway through. You blew the account already with Nasdaq because this move from 900 all the way down to that was a 300 point move. You blew your account already. That shit is gone. On ES, this move right here was probably only like a 2K move right here. And let's see, on a 10 lot, 971 and got all the way down to what minus 919 times 10. Minus. Yeah. So I mean, obviously, well, you probably would have blew your account on this anyway. But this was what, like a 70, almost a 60 point move right here. And this move right here was only $2,600 on a 10 lot. And I'm only saying only because even though it made this big move, it was only $2,600. Only $2,600. And that was what, let me actually just do the exact math. What, nine? 71 minus 918. This is a 53-point move down. ES don't be making 53-point moves like that. If you're trading the way you're supposed to, and that's why I'm saying like it's only that much, because even if you make a mistake, the ES is highly likely to come back, and you'll still have your account versus the Nasdaq. If you make one mistake, your account is gone, and that's the point I'm trying to make, and that's why I only trade my funded accounts with the ES. Evals, I'll trade Nasdaq all day, but not with the funded accounts. Looks like I'm about to get my Bitcoin first position, so I needed to get all the way down here to hit my target.
Super volatility today.
Yeah, dude, I should have stayed in that ES short, man. You know what, man? I think if we can get price to come back up here to 928, I'm gonna see if I can kind of get in on that in my top set account. Because I kind of want to start trading. I need to hit up Top Step. Then they need to know the power of Bitcoin.
Oh, I tried trading that in my take profit account. It's a no go.
Oh,
At
really?
least for regular. I think I try to do regular Bitcoin. I think I don't know if I tried to do the micros, but yeah, I think they. I don't think it's a permitted
A
product.
product? Mm,
It
they know
was
better.
like rejected. I was like, dang. I was about to hit them up.
Oh crap! Yeah.
Shoot. See if ES triple bottoms here, but this looks strong.
Dude, I don't know, man. This shit's trending. Yeah, this shit is kind of strong, bro.
Yeah, it looks really strong.
Yeah. I mean, we could, like I said, I kind of want to see what it does when it pulls back to the 21 EMA. I kind of want to see what it does there.
It's at 600, 550, 500. Like this thing. She really want to go that low today?
I think so, bro. Like I said, that liquidity that was sitting at 887, like that shit was strong. Like people wanted to was expecting it to get down to 887 today. I'm in short. And I'm probably gonna put this shit down here then. Yeah. We'll see if we get that. If not, then because I kind of am shorting the bottom like a fool. But hey, it is what it is.
This is the 9 o'clock
So
9 o'clock algo. Selling.
I guess the 9 o'clock algo ain't bullish no more. Yeah, they're selling this thing. Well, I'm gonna go back into sim on this. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't normally take this, but this thing is trending down, so we'll see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I think today is one of those days where it hit major supply and it wants to go lower. I wouldn't recommend taking this trade. I'm in the sim on this.
See if it works out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, at this point all I can do is just watch and cry on the inside, you know.
Yeah.
And wait for the bulls to come back in. Bulls, where you at?
Shit, they might be on vacation, bro. I'm looking at SPY. I've come to find, I mean, well, I come to find looking at ES and SPY very valuable because we all know that. I mean, if SPY ain't going to do it, these futures market ain't, and we know that the option market is king. So SPY is selling off, and I think that I don't think we're going to get any bullishness until SPY reaches its destination, which I think is around 77. Well, what I mean by bullishness is like a run. We could see a bounce, but I don't know if we're going to see a run, is what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Come back. Piece of this. All right. We tapped into that 590 though. Let's see. But you're right. Looking at ES is and SPY definitely good indicators for
Mhm.
NQ. If you want to trade NQ, go down to 550 though for that second.
Oh hell no, bro! I wouldn't even touch that with a long on Nasdaq. Hell no. Hell no. The structure's not even set up for it to even go long. That shit's set up for it to continue to sell off. Hell no. I wouldn't touch that with a long. I mean, we'll see what happens here at 565, man. We'll see. But I mean, if that shit breaks 565, I mean, the only other place it can go is like 530, 513. But you already know if it passes 565, that shit probably trying to double bottom here at this low. Probably at 500 for real. Damn. But if we sell off today, then tomorrow we definitely shooting up tomorrow, man. I mean, that's kind of obvious what's going to happen tomorrow.
Oh, you think so?
It's highly likely it's possible. It's highly likely.
Too soon, don't do it. Consider.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm tripping. All right. What are y'all guys trying to do? Y'all trying to sell off or what? All right, so let's see. So I'm gonna make the assumption that you're gonna try for that long, right? You're gonna try for the long.
I wanted to, but then I got overly anxious and hopped in the short at the bottom. Now I'm about to pay for that. So I'm like, well, it could go down to here. I see this liquidity. But now it looks like it's trying to ramp up.
I mean, bro. Well, I mean, obviously, I would never recommend shorting the bottom of a move, but for continuation.
Yeah,
But um,
yeah, because you get your
right now,
pullbacks
your only hope
first.
is that they reject it off of 638. I don't know if you can tolerate that, but either it shorts right here, or if it pops up to 630, 638, that's where we see the rejection. 645 is obviously the absolute no go. Do not pass this level.
Three clapped. Wow, that is amazing. So ES kind of, I mean, it extended a little bit, but it kind of, I guess you can call that a triple bottom on ES.
Yeah, I see what
I
you're
should,
talking about. Like
I
they're trying
should
to
have
buy the
took break
retest
even.
here.
Yeah, Q always does that though. Give you that sliver of hope and then crush your dreams. But that's my fault for
Hmm.
trying to short the dang bottom. It's that over anxious bad
Yeah.
tendency. I thought they would go for
Yeah.
550, but they're probably gonna bounce it up, and then if we do get more continuation, then I could see them going to take that out because they're leaving that liquidity at 500 and 550. Yeah, but we'll see. Look at this move. Dang, damn, they're 50 point candle right here. Ugh. Yes. It's 11 points on
Yeah.
ES
BS kind of goes
12.
past this range, then yeah. Okay. If they
VWAP.
kind of go past this range, this shit is
Uh,
done for.
yeah. Did they recover that move though? That would be just insane if they recover. Like, all right, let's see what we can do in this account.
Okay.
But now it's like it's too late to buy the buy the bottom because I don't know. They could be freaking pulling this up just to push it back down,
Hmm.
especially on NQ. You have to get a break of structure way up here at you'd have to break like 765 just to, yeah, just to see that mess continue back up. And right now, I don't think, what other catalyst is there? I mean, Snowflake had good earnings, I guess. Nvidia was like,
Snowflake.
yeah, or whatever that company is.
Mm.
Nvidia was kind of like yeah, it was good numbers wise, but then their guidance.
This is why we don't short the bottom, everybody.
That's
You don't short
exactly
the
why you don't
bottom.
short the bottom. Exactly why. ES
Okay.
build strength. Yeah. Shoot. Dang, they gapped up
Mm.
130. It gapped up like 30 points. Stay killing it. I got NQ here setting me up. Let's see. Okay, let's see. She had to me, in order to see continuation higher, she got to break them like really. I'm gonna say like 780 for NQ in order to see a continuation up. I think if we do get there, that'll be a key area
Mm-hmm.
to watch out for. 780, 775. I mean, 69 points just like that. Like,
Oh shit.
duality
Yeah,
is even
my
over
bad.
more than that. Dang, this was crazy. All right, let me pull this over here to the side. Pull this one up.
Okay. Let me try this. Well,
Ugh.
man, I guess I could just wait and see what happens. Kind of already sold off a little bit, but you know what? I already sold off a little bit because it kind of double top. They sold the retest again right here at 44, 45. Hmm. Okay.
Like they setting
This is
up on.
yeah. This ain't the best entry, obviously, but obviously we should just show the retest right here. So we'll see. Well,
Let's see. 59 points, just like that. ES RAM, 15 points. Like, yeah, you never see that. Like, well, I mean, I guess now you do nowadays, but ES running 15 points in 5 minutes is wild.
beautiful. Depending on if you're right side of the market.
Yeah,
If you're on
but
the
it's
right
just
side of that, yeah, it's beautiful. If you're on the wrong side, you're like, oh my God, please don't do it, please.
no.
Yes, please don't do
If you gotta say if you gotta say that to ES, then you know something wrong. You gotta say ES, please. That's crazy. Nah, Matt, I didn't catch the short, bro. I didn't catch it. I wasn't in the market in time.
Your boy Sherm did.
I was tardy. Yeah, Sherm caught the short. Popped it to
On the
905.
NASDAQ, ES, caught it on everything. Bitcoin. Still on that Bitcoin short though. She playing with my target though. I don't know why. Like she bounced like a couple 100 points away from it. Mm,
Oh, did she?
yeah.
Uh, it's, uh,
Okay. Yeah. I gotta watch for those retests that because that was like 44. Yeah, that was a 10 points right there at the short of that retest.
so they don't deny it.
I mean, the Nasdaq is looking like it's trying to drop, like it's trying to continue. But if they do find support here in this range, then yeah, we're gonna probably see a breakout because there's no resistance holding it back anymore. I mean, technically, we had a big two-legged pullback into what could be possibly support. It's obviously support because we had this run, but I guess in a situation like this, do you trust the momentum or do you trust the structure? I mean, that's the question.
Yeah. Which one would you trust right now?
I mean, I'm gonna always trust the structure. But if it starts to trade above 725, then I'm gonna have to rethink my bearish thesis and I'm gonna have to go for a long. I'm gonna have to go long if they find support above 725. But my bias right now is short. Looking at, I mean, it's rejecting off the golden zone. I mean, every time I look at this chart, I mean, it never ceases to amaze me how the price just respects these levels. It rejected. I mean, we got to move all the way down. They found support at the golden zone, but they couldn't sustain it. So we got a big move down. It stopped at the 23% and it kept going. It stopped at the golden zone and kept going. It found support at the 23% and we got a fifth move all the way to 23%. Then they tried to find support at that 23% and then they couldn't. The bears tried to sell it. They popped it back up to the golden zone. They're rejecting it from the golden zone. And now they're trying to buy it now at the 23%. So I'm gonna trust the structure on this one. I'm gonna keep shorting this thing because I think the thing's gonna keep shorting. I would look. I would look at like 500 in a range between 500 and 585 for longs. That's where I would look for longs.
Yeesh, yes, you just playing me. Now 10 points down. Like, that's ES is being wild.
Hold on, you shorted? Hold on, I'm short ES. You went long on ES?
No, I didn't
Okay.
go long on ES. I went long on NQ. Well, that's just even worse. Even worse.
Yeah, the shorts on the NQ and on the ES is definitely. So I took this short of my Top Step account, and I'm almost about to get this thing hit. So target filled, baby. Target filled. All right.
I think now they
Dang,
try
I'm
to
just
go for
making
the
fucking
freaking
money today, dude. Yo, Seppuku, I know. Like, dude, I'm making so much fucking money today, dude. It's ridiculous how much money I'm making today. Well, it's not ridiculous, that's normal. But how
doing
fast I'm making it. And I'm making it on the bear side, baby. The bear side, baby.
the Bears.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Love making this money, man. Let me see if I can kind of get another 30 pointer on this one. That's what I'm talking about with the ES, man. It's like, dude, you just gotta
14
respect the
points.
price action. You'll get paid, man. You'll get paid on the ES every time. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, shit, you fuck around, you'll find out.
I just did. Alright, ES, stop playing around and continue to move. Continue the move. Yes. I mean, she did run 14 points, and that's like grounds for. Yeah, she's not in Q.
Nope.
She don't be doing that cute stuff like in Q.
Okay, I added to this into this position. Like I said, I'm in the sim, so if you take these trades, I mean, it's at your own risk. I'm kind of practicing my strategy, practicing the trading the structure. That's all I'm doing here. They do got a lot of liquidity at 9.10. Let's see what happens. I mean, honestly, kind of thinking back at it, bro, the thing that continues to happen is like, dude, if we see a massive run up in New York, then it's highly likely that I'm not New York. If we see a massive run up in the pre-market, New York usually fades the pre-market usually.
Yeah.
Like a massive run up.
Yeah.
Because we gotta admit that run up, dude, that was crazy. That was a crazy overnight run.
Yeah, and it just like pissed me off because it did it at the most weird times. Like,
Mm-hmm.
but what's Nvidia at?
It's probably dropping. Maybe well shit. I wouldn't care about Nvidia, I would care about SPY. Oh, damn it. Damn. It. Yeah, Nvidia is super dropping, dude. I mean, I had a feeling Nvidia was gonna do this shit. I mean, okay. I mean, at this point, bro, because I was talking to Smith about this shit yesterday. I was like, dude, this shit, Nvidia is gonna dump. It's gonna dump. And look at it dump. But I will be buying some Nvidia calls, some 0 DTEs if we do see 135 today. I'm buying that shit. That's not financial advice, but I'm buying it. I'm buying probably like 140 calls or something like that because it's gonna probably get up there. Damn, look at the damn dude. Man, yo. All right, I gotta look how much money I just made in this sim, dude. Damn, look, damn, dude. Damn.
My luck. I think I should call it here. Lucky to be alive, basically, that I came out with some profit. I mean, you'd be like, well, they could probably get. I see all these orders at 500. They could probably get to 500. And then you're like, but is
Oh
it gonna do
shit, that was
it?
too
Is it gonna
quick.
pull back? Is it gonna pull back? Is it gonna do this?
Mm-hmm. Well, that was a good trade on the on the ES, man. Some great trades, man. We took, man, how many points was that on the ES today, man? We had damn near perfect entries, man. Damn near perfect. We got that 30-pointer. Then we got that went from 41 all the way down to, so we damn near got 70, 80 points today on the ES. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy. The fact that it even moved like that we could
Hey.
say that today is crazy.
Yeah.
So we know
ES don't ever change. Go ahead.
we know she was that girl that only moved in a 4 point range back in the
Mm-hmm.
day. We know.
No, I'm not gonna. I've already made money in my funded account. I was thinking about hopping in my other funded account, but nah, I don't want to push my luck. Or do I?
514.
Or do I?
It's looking like it's gonna go for that.
All
Oh
right.
my gosh.
Finally, it touched my target. Finally, it hit my damn targets on Bitcoin. Finally. Now let's see if we can get this runner. Pretty sure it's gonna probably bounce there. Probably at R2. Yo, I don't think I've taken a I don't think I've taken a losing trade on Bitcoin yet, bro. I have not taken a losing trade. I haven't taken profits, but I have not taken a losing trade.
So there's a difference.
There is a difference. If I take the profits and it comes back, that's just me not taking the profits, being greedy. It's a difference.
So I ain't take profits, but
dude, I think I need a physical risk manager because I'm debating about doing it. I'm doing it.
eye on your own supply right now.
Yeah, I'm seeing if I can.
I am too, and I'm not even like it's for the wrong reasons. Is this tilt energy I'm sensing right now?
Yeah, probably, bro.
Probably. Missed all these
Hmm.
moves and then got clapped in the pre-market. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
All right, so
Me. So yes, just popped 3 points in NQ. I don't even know what that was because it's moving so freaking fast right now. Bitcoin.
finally hit my
Yeah,
target. Finally.
just yeah, this is insane right now.
Mm-hmm.
How does the market? Well, I guess the after effect of Nvidia earnings and it's like it's crap. I even have to ask. Super volatile today. Anybody else that got important earnings?
Yes, I know I shorted the bottom, but please come back. I straight shorted the bottom on this one. Yeah, I messed up on this one. I shorted the bottom. Or did I?
30 points on. So ES is up 6, so they just doubled. But why here though? Why pump it here with 514 low and miss all that? Why?
Okay. I should have shorted right here. Or at least that's why I probably should have started my short right here. Yes, are you giving me another chance? Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
Baby, please give me one more chance. Oh, all right. Well, guys, that's a wrap for me. Yeah, yeah, that is a wrap for me. Tilt energy from missing this run up, missing this drop. Yeah, now
You know
I'm
what, ES?
curious. I'm
You said what?
curious. Oh, I'm just curious as to why they front run that liquidity. Dang, it's already back up to 60, 70. Yeah, NQ is super volatile today. This is like it's like NQ is back.
I'm
Like
thinking we're back.
I ain't seen this type of volatility in a long time. Big old swings like this.
Mm. The good old bounce at break even. Good old bounce at break even. Like, dude, this thing literally bounced at my break even, dude. Like, that's crazy. Man, like I said, I shorted the bottom on this one, but I figured that we was going to at least get continuation, at least. But it looks like they wanted to come back and tap into that liquidity first at that range. Or at least that's what I'm hoping is going on right now. Damn it.
Like I know they're not gonna leave all these orders sitting there at 500 though. I know
Nah,
that's
probably
not what
not.
they're gonna do. They might, man, they might take it to 6 or whatever that
I'm
is
not gonna be
just
able to
before
supply that.
6. What's that? Probably like 90, and then
They got
dump
kind
it
of
back
rejected right
down.
there.
Oh, all right. Yep. I'm gonna be on sharp stream. That's it for
Okay.
me.
All right, man. Fudge. Fudge. This is why you don't short the bottom. This is why you don't short it.
Still in it? You still in it, Hope? Nah, it's looking.
Okay.
But
All right. That's the hope I needed right there, baby. I needed that. Okay. We can probably see a retracement. At least I can put my stop above that high right there. But then they could just buy it off the 21. Okay.
okay, this is what it looks like they're doing. They get these big drops, then you pop, drop, pop, drop.
Yeah, we're definitely going to
You
see
pop.
pops because obviously with this bullish move up, the market is just tapping into all these passive orders that's just resting and buying the retest. But we hit major supply, and that's why I knew it was not going to work. We hit major supply on both the Nasdaq and we hit major supply on the ES. So that's why you got to look at them higher
Yeah,
time frames and know where your major supply and resistance at.
right there to the 90. Yep. That's crazy. It was just almost at 600. And now it's
Mm-hmm.
back to. Like, this is some crazy volatility right now. 589. Popped up to 589 and it's back down here in 530s. Probably gonna go for that 500 liquidity. Probably. Wow.
Come on,
Yeah,
ES.
this is crazy.
Come on. Oh
Yes,
my
you gotta
God.
give it up. Give it up. Give it
Uh,
up. But yeah, all right, y'all. I'm gonna hop over and start watch him work. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Come on, baby.